All right, guys, trail number 3 on the Where to Ride in Michigan. We're going to Evart. Just left the house right now. We got about an hour and 40 minutes roughly, and we are in luck because it finally started raining here in Michigan, and it's been raining pretty hard for the last probably 2 days. So the conditions will probably be better than they're ever going to be. So looking forward to that. There should be about 4 or 5 of us meeting up there, and well, there's always a bunch of people there besides that. But this is, as far as the lower peninsula of Michigan, this is probably my favorite single track, and I say that loosely because my favorite is between Evart and Tomahawk, so I just say they're like 1A and 1B. Someone asked me what my favorite trail is. It just depends on which one I've ridden the latest is usually what I say. But Evart's a great trail. Has obviously sand. It's Michigan, but it has a lot of rock, a lot of roots, a little bit of elevation, but it's just one of those trails that it's only 23 miles, but for Michigan, it keeps you on your toes. So really good trail. So anyways, we're going to meet a few people there, and I will see you guys out there. All right, guys, Evart, after a huge rain, early bird gets the worm. Got Danny XP from Illinois, Blake, and everybody knows Beta Brian. They said 4-stroke's gotta stay in the back today. What the heck? They're so mean to me. God, I love this trail. Yeah, today's one of those days. It rained so hard last night, and it's supposed to be like, I think 84 today. So you can already, it's like just a few minutes after 9, and you can already feel the humidity coming in. It's one of those days where you almost got to keep going so you don't clog up. He will throw a wall of roof on purpose too. He will 100% do it on purpose. Just dodge that face full. I'll get you back first. Oh, something stung me. I just got stung on my neck. Fun.
we come up this section, which is kind of like the big rocky uphill. Today we decided to go the opposite way, so we're going down. Which, much easier to go down than up. We're going through one of the old logging areas. They logged this several years ago. As you can see, it's all overgrown now, but it's a lot better when it's midsummer like this, because you feel like you're actually on a super tight single track versus in the spring or fall when the foliage is dead. It's kind of got a wide open. On the other hand, when it's wide open though, it's a pretty cool view up top here. Okay guys, we're only a couple miles from the parking lot, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would definitely come ride this if you haven't already. It's one of the funnest single tracks we have, in my opinion. I guess the only thing I would say is you don't want to bring a beginner, but a good moderate level rider will be sufficient. It's got enough to keep you on your toes, not too hard, but just super fun. And if you can, hit it after a rain like we did. Get hero dirt, man. sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit that notification